thinking of doing SMA, I would definitely recommend it. Being an accumulator myself, it is definitely an investment that has return on investment in terms of being able to understand more about you, what drives you, what motivates you, what some of your gifts are, what some of your challenges are, where you might be holding yourself back, sabotaging yourself, but then also where you can maybe, step it up a little bit and go with the flow and actually flow with your personality and with your money archetype rather than against it, and using that as a jumping off board to actually go for your success and the abundance that you want for your life and for your career. And I would also say that for anybody who is thinking of who works with people, which probably is all of us, it's also fantastic because you can really start to understand other people, build empathy for how other people think, how other people feel, what their archetypes might be and what might be driving them, and potentially open up new channels of success and abundance for yourself as well.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.